Hello and welcome to another update video on Injective. Injective protocol, a chart we've been covering for quite a long time. It suffered as well on the 10th of October, obviously. Here on the Binance chart, it crashed down all the way down to around about $2.80, which definitely damaged the chart. Looks a little bit like the FET chart. And it's important to mention, though, that on the Coinbase chart, we bottomed at around $8.20. So quite a bit of a difference. And so over the last few weeks, I communicated that I mark the low here on the 10th of October as potentially a very meaningful one, which might lead to either a larger B wave rally or a C wave rally to new highs. If it's consistent with FET, then it might follow here the white scenario, but technically speaking, also on the FET chart, we could get a broader correction like this, A, B, C. Overall, however, we have tracked over the last few days as well, last few weeks, also in our member sessions, live sessions every Sunday. Next one is going to be on Sunday. We've tracked, whenever it was requested, a bullish 1-2 setup here or a B setup. And I mean, you know, the Binance chart, I use it in this case because it kind of worked. So we had a bounce to the upside. The price, however, could not break above that key level there at around 1250, where the selling volume started to kick in on the 10th of October. That's a level I'm watching on various altcoin charts. And so we crashed down, bounced, and then the price came down in 3 waves. And the reason I say it worked is because, first of all, we were watching here for a corrective pullback, but it reacted exactly to the 38.2 retracement. So the technical level played a role there. And so what do we now have? I mean, this could be an A-B structure, which could lead to a C wave rally, or a 1-2 setup, which could lead to a third wave rally. Those are the 2 scenarios I have been tracking, and the idea was to watch that support area for reaction. There has been a reaction, and now we are moving. The next objective for the bulls would be to form the next micro 5-wave move up, as you can see here in the internal wave 1. If we can get these 5 waves completed, then the next corrective pullback could be a wave 2, and then from there we can grind higher. For now, I have added a micro support area to the chart, which is not for wave 2, but rather for the internal wave 4 pullback here, because to confirm that we really have a meaningful low in place, I'd like to see a micro 5-wave move up in waves 1 to 5, as you can see here. So this would be needed next, this micro 5-wave move up, and then we can add support for the subsequent pullback, a 1-2 setup. For now, $7.15 is micro support for direct upside continuation. There could be some resistance in this area here around $9.05, $9.10, where we had these previous swing lows, from May 25 and June 25. But yeah, it's on the move. Definitely interesting. The next larger resistance is around $12.50. There's the update on Injective. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.